Hello, good people. This is Wei Man, and today we are going to be looking at TradingView. A brief dive into TradingView, how it works. There's a video I made about MetaTrader 5 and TradingView explained, but the part for TradingView would actually pause and the cursor wouldn't move. I don't know what happened, but I'm going to just give you guys a brief insight on what you can do on TradingView. Okay, so like MetaTrader 5, TradingView is also another platform you use just to analyze, also execute trades, but I mainly use it for analysis. Okay, I mainly use it for analysis. I encourage you to use it for analysis. Reasons being, TradingView has few brokers that are known to most regions that you can connect to it. Of course, you can sign up to these other brokers and connect to it, but me, I prefer using it for for analysis. And the beauty about it is that TradingView has a lot of tools. Okay, TradingView has a lot of tools. Take a look. We have time frames. Okay, up here we have time frames, just like MetaTrader does. We have 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes, and all that monthly. And we even have ticks, seconds. You see that? MetaTrader does not have that, and TradingView even has 1 year. Okay, candlesticks for a whole year. These candlesticks form once a year. You can imagine. This is data for how many years? Okay, this is 2002, Jan 2002. Some of you watching this weren't born. This is 2025. So MetaTrader doesn't have yearly, candlesticks. And then come here, we have drawing tools. Okay, you have lines. This tool is for lines. You have trend line, you have ray, you have info line, extended line, trend angle. I mean, you will not even use all these tools. Okay, I have not even used a quarter of these tools on TradingView. Then you go to Fibonacci, the Fibonacci retracements, there are trend-based fixed extensions, Fibonacci expansions. There are so many. Okay, if your trading strategy uses any of these tools, TradingView is where you should come. We have patterns, or those that trade patterns. Okay, we have those patterns like triangle pattern, the ABCD, and then the head and shoulder, XABCD pattern. So if you know these patterns, the Elliott waves, they're all here for you to use. TradingView has them for you. And then we have brushes, highlighters, arrows. Now these are tools that help you draw on the charts. Okay, rectangle, then a rotated rectangle, circle. So they are all here for you to use. You can also add texts. You have icons. I've never used these ones, these emojis. So, and then you have a ruler for measuring. Okay, so that measure pips with it. Also, there is this one is also for measuring price range. You can measure pips with it. They're almost the same thing. Yeah, so there is also this, what you call the position sizer, for position sizing. If you're entering a trade, you can use that tool. If it's a buy trade, use this. If it's a sell trade, use this. And how does it work? You just put it to where your entry is, and then if maybe you want to do 20 pips stop loss, you adjust. Okay, you adjust. But this position sizer, for it, it's okay, yeah, you just adjust. Its units are in points, they are not in pips. Okay, Then if you want to do like 300 pips, that's 300 pips, and then you let your trades move just like that. So this one is for sell. The red part is for the stop loss. The green part is for take profit. This one does the opposite direction. Okay, if you're doing a sell trade, use this one. Let's say you want 10 pips on Euro USD. Those are 5 pips, and then your take profit is 20 something pips. So that's it for Euro USD. Yeah, that is how you use this tool on TradingView. So the rest of it you have here. You can choose to use hollow candlesticks. You can choose to use a line chart. You see, you can choose to use lines with marks. You can choose to use area. It's just no. TradingView has also columns. You see that these volume bars you can use high and low. You see, trust me, TradingView has lots of these things, lots of them, lots and lots of them. So you can just come and do your analysis from here, right? Just come and do it from here. It's better than MetaTrader when it comes to analysis. MetaTrader I recommend for analysis. No, I recommend for execution and trade management. TradingView, do your analysis from here. So thank you for hopping in and watching. Let's catch you on the next one. Have a beautiful day, and please don't forget to go and watch the video that has MetaTrader 5 on PC and on mobile. Okay, the link is going to be popping up, so go watch it and then you can connect the dots with this one.